Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So we've seen the Canon power shots in many videos before, but today we're going to be installing a way to have access to more things on the Canon. It's called the Canon Hack Development Kit, but it's not really hacking, it just installs on the card that does some stuff. So anyway, I'm going to be installing that today. I'll just connect it up and get it running. Now we've got the version downloaded. Set and we open the file manager. This is like 800 kilobytes. It's like it's supposed to take this long. Hopefully jump cut it done. Oh, it's supposed to have installed. We don't have to check it. So generally what we had to do is download a zip file and then unzip it and put everything that's inside the folder into the card. So we should boot now. This is completely normal, except for the fact that there's there's it. Update. This should boot into CHDK. So now what we're going to do is open the menu. Put the menu into CHDK settings. SD card. It's bootable. Now it's bootable. So we're going to close it and physically lock the cards, which sounds counterintuitive, but it would boot the thing down. Makes it it's longer to boot, but now I have to splash screen on boot. So that's that. What can it do? It has the battery indicator automatically, and temperature, time, and everything you could possibly need for the camera. This camera itself isn't exactly high spec, so it wouldn't be much of an advantage. That was that. This was filmed on the Sony Cybershot. Hope you like this video. It's not as long as the ones before because and hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.